Hey guys, so I took the other side off of this window, this other window channel, it's the one I took out before, and to look at the roller that's on there. Need some grease. It's having a hard time spinning. There we go. But I wanted to show you, this is the carriage bolt. Look at that. What an exact fit. Should be damn near perfect. And feeling the back of this, I'll try to get a shot of it. This is a rivet here. I showed the shot of the other one. That's definitely already been fixed before, so Cobra Wild, you were correct, sir. That one has already been mucked with. I am going to try and drill this out so I can put my carriage bolt in there. And we'll see. Gonna get a piece of wood, I think. Something to wedge up in here. So I don't put too much, I mean this thing's pretty sturdy, but I don't want to put too much force on it. Alright. We have success. Made it through. The problem is that hole is a lot smaller than that. Alright, it's in. Perfection. Looks pretty good. Now, I'm just gonna measure, get real fancy here, use the caliper. Uh-oh. Too fancy, I know. But I wanna see, I think I can do this. One-handed. So that sticks out. Oh, that's not right. 0.09 millimeters. Oh, here we go. Gotta zero it. .92 millimeters. So this one is a little short. It's kind of hard because that bolt's underneath. But 15.33. I don't know if that's going to make a difference. I'm debating at Ace they had a little plastic kind of grommet that would go around the inside of this. Maybe stick it up or maybe put a little washer. I don't know. I think I'm going to try it without first before I go to Ace, and I think it'll be fine. I mean, it's like 1 millimeter. I hope it won't make a difference, but we'll test it and find out. Alright, got it installed. Had to leave it a little loose just so I could get this wrench off, but I think it'll be better a little loose because then it can spin around on that track like the roller. Alright, get everything lubed up. Removed all the old grease off that one. Added a bunch of lube, grease all the way around. Then put a dollop on top. Same thing with this one, grease all the way around, top and bottom, big dollop on top. Nice greasy tracks. This one's got a whole bunch that'll go on the side with the metal. Well, might add a little bit more, but hopefully that should do it. There you go. Like butter. I think most of that squeak's coming from the lever. What is it, bud? fine. Just a neighbor. Here you go. Cool. Thanks for watching.